In today's video, I will walk you through how to create glow effect in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open CapCut on your computer and load the project you want to edit. If you do not already have CapCut installed, you can visit the official CapCut website and download the PC version. Glow effects are commonly used to make logos, text, graphics, and highlighted objects stand out more clearly on screen. They are especially popular in gaming edits, cinematic videos, intros, and social media content, because they add a more polished and professional look. Start by placing the object you want to apply the glow effect to onto your timeline. This could be a logo, image, graphic, or any visual element you want to enhance. Once your object is ready, head over to the Effects section inside CapCut. In the search bar, type Glow to quickly find the available glow effects instead of scrolling through all the categories manually. From the results, locate the Glow 2 effect and drag it directly over your object on the timeline. After adding the effect, extend the glow layer so it matches the full duration of the object. This keeps the glow visible the entire time the object appears on screen. Next, begin adjusting the effect settings to create the look you want. You can fine-tune the glow intensity and glow size until the effect looks balanced and smooth. A softer glow usually creates a cleaner cinematic look, while a stronger glow creates a more dramatic style. Try to keep the glow controlled so the object itself still remains visible and easy to read. Once you are happy with the effect, select both the object and the glow effect layer together. After selecting both, press Alt and G on your keyboard to create a compound clip. This step helps isolate the glow, so it only affects the object you grouped together instead of other elements in your project. It also makes the effect cleaner and easier to manage in your timeline. This technique works especially well for animated titles, logos, icons, and overlays, where you want the glow effect to stay attached consistently. After everything is finished, preview your video, and you should now have a polished glow effect that gives your visuals a much more professional and stylish appearance in CapCut PC.